Ever wondered why you burst into laughter when your friend trips over nothing? This universal phenomenon, laughter, isn't exclusive to any culture or region. It's as enigmatic as it is ubiquitous. Throughout history, thinkers, philosophers, and scientists have proposed various theories to explain why we laugh. One such theory is the superiority theory, suggesting that we find humor when we feel superior to others. Then there's the release theory, proposing that laughter is a way of releasing pent-up energy. But here's the catch. None of these theories can wholly encapsulate the essence of laughter. From the chuckles at a simple pun to the belly laughs from a slapstick comedy, laughter is as diverse as it is mysterious. The riddle of laughter, it seems, is yet to be fully unraveled. In 2010, laughter saw a new light with the benign violation theory. This theory introduces an intriguing concept, suggesting that humor arises when we identify a violation of a norm that isn't particularly offensive or upsetting. Picture this. You're at a formal event and someone trips over their own feet. It's a breach of the norm, but no harm is done, and voila, it's funny. But why does this happen? Experimental evidence gives us some insight. It seems that our brains are wired to recognize these benign violations and respond with laughter. This could be a way for us to signal that the violation is recognized, but not perceived as a threat. So that moment of surprise when someone trips, followed by the relief that they're okay, that's your brain processing a benign violation. It's fascinating how this theory can explain why we find humor in situations that are odd, unexpected, or even a little embarrassing but not truly harmful. It widens our understanding and adds a new layer to the complex puzzle of humor. Laughter, it appears, is our brain's way of acknowledging a harmless misstep. But what if laughter is more than just a response to humor? What if it's a tool for survival? From an evolutionary perspective, humor and laughter may have played a pivotal role in human survival. Imagine our ancestors huddled around a fire, sharing stories and laughter. This shared mirth could have served to strengthen social bonds, foster cooperation, and ease tensions, which were all crucial for survival in a harsh and often dangerous environment. Now consider the idea of different types of laughter. There's spontaneous laughter, the kind that bubbles up unbidden when something tickles your funny bone. This is thought to be the most primal form of laughter, a deep-seated mechanism etched into our neural pathways by eons of evolution. Then there's controlled laughter, the polite chuckle you offer at a lame joke, or the strategic giggle used to smooth over a social faux pas. This is a more recent evolutionary development, tied to our complex social structures and nuanced interpersonal dynamics. Each type of laughter has its own distinct neural mechanisms, revealing just how deeply embedded this behavior is in our biology. Could our ancestors have survived without laughter? It's a thought worth pondering, isn't it? The science of laughter, as you see, is a labyrinth of theories and hypotheses. We've journeyed through the enigma of laughter, delved into the benign violation theory, and explored laughter from an evolutionary perspective. Each theory, unique and intriguing, unravels a new layer of our understanding of why we laugh. But remember, none fully encapsulate every chuckle, giggle, or guffaw. So, next time you find yourself laughing at a corny joke, remember, you're participating in a phenomenon that has baffled scientists for centuries. Now, isn't that amusing? Share in the comments below what you think. Subscribe for more intriguing videos. Thank you.